I saw the fire consume the land. I felt the ashes in my hand. The ones I loved were torn away. Their voices haunt me night and day. I took an oath I can't let go. It burns inside, is all I know. Through blood and stone my path is clear. Their end will come, the time is near. I took an oath I can't let go. It burns inside, it's all I know. Through blood and stone my path is clear. Their end will come, the time is near. I walk through ruins, cold and wide, with only anger as my guide. Each broken name became my flame. Each shadow whispered, who's to blame? I saw their towers touch the sky. I heard their laughter passing by, but fear grew sharp within their walls. Their kingdom shook as darkness cold. I took